Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a concept that matches your sound and stage persona. Think mood, tempo, and image. Once done, test 5 quick name ideas aloud in mock announcements to hear crowd reaction and prefer 0. 5 to 3 syllable options for instant recall. Make sure to check basic availability for domain and social handles now so you don't pivot later. This first step saves time. It guides every following choice and prevents rebranding headaches mid-launch. You now build the actual name drop. Decide whether it's vocal, melodic, or a hybrid. Record several takes with different deliveries, shouty, smooth, whispered, and pick the emotional match to the track. Once done, process versions with EQ to remove mud, saturation for presence, and short delay for space. Compress to glue and optionally pitch shift for character. Make sure to create a short mastered stem and a version with tails trimmed for live triggering and seamless mixes. You finish by placing the drops strategically. Intro for identity, peak for hype, outro for recall. Align levels so it doesn't fight the mix. Once done, set hot cues or sample pads and rehearse transitions to hit the tag on beat. If problems occur, masking, muddiness, or audience confusion, make one targeted change. Shorten the drop, boost intelligibility with high mid-lift, or add a melodic anchor so the name sticks. Keep testing until it reads clean in a live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.